Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impresa E8 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work. We had to go inside and basically clean all these that you see right here. Grinder was completely clogged with coffee. There was a lot of mold all around the entire machine. We completely cleaned everything inside. As you can see, this is the old grinder and this is how it was and this is how it is right now. We completely cleared everything out. Deep clean everything around the panels, everything you see right here. We resurfaced the brew unit, replaced most of the gaskets of the brew unit, deep cleaning as well. There was a lot of coffee built up inside the brew unit. We cleaned everything as you can see. This is how it looked before and this is how it looks now inside, nice and clean. So yeah, we did a bit of work on this espresso machine. So descale it and give it a nice clean on the spout as well. So yeah, that's what we did with this espresso machine. Now starting with the first shot of espresso, we're going to be testing it out. Hopefully the grinder can push all the beans that is inside, the ground coffee that is inside, and we can see a nice cup of espresso. If not, we'll have the field beans error because this is literally the first shot that grinder is doing after that deep clean. Whenever you grind coffee, there's always like a little residue inside that will get pushed as you grind more beans. So that's exactly what just happened. Now we're gonna do it again. Now this time is the whole reservoir in the grinder is completely filled, and now it's gonna push the coffee in the right amount. We have it set up at 1.5 ounces as Jura recommends. Infusion with nice and steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent flow of espresso. Great shot. Good crema, excellent color, looking great. Now for the steamer, we're gonna be testing it out as well. This steamer one was clogged up with a lot of coffee milk residue, so we deep clean it and make sure there's not any more milk inside. As for the steamers, it will purge itself with a little bit of water, and as the thermoblock starts to heat up, we don't see an increase of pressure inside that one. As you can see, the pressure now is increasing, nice steady steam coming out through the wall, excellent pressure, really great temperature, working excellent, you can move back and forth, no leaks on the top, working great. Excellent steam. Now we're going to be using the hot water function of this machine, and because we recently used the steam, it's going to push a lot of that steam. But after the thermoblock cools down, we're going to see a nice steady stream of water coming out through there. Like I say, now that it's cooling down, it's giving that steady stream coming out through the one. Nice and steady, working beautiful, working great. So there you have it, Jura Impresa E8 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like and hit the bell, and thanks for watching. Also, on a side note, I know the display looks a little bit weird. That is our camera that is doing that. The machine is having this message is a steady light. It's just the frame rate of the LCD screen is just interfering with the camera. But the display is perfectly fine. So thanks for watching and thank you.